Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the simple process of resetting the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. Whether you're facing technical issues, changing Wi-Fi networks, or planning to give the camera to someone else, resetting is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. Before we begin, let's quickly go over why you might need to reset your Blink Mini camera. Resetting the camera can help fix connectivity issues, remove it from your account, or prepare it for a new Wi-Fi network. A reset returns the camera to its factory settings, allowing you to set it up from scratch. To begin, find the reset button on your Blink Mini camera. It's located on the bottom, near the USB power port. Since the button is recessed, you'll need something small like a paper clip or a pin to press it properly and initiate the reset process. Ensure that your Blink Mini camera is powered on before proceeding. You should notice either a solid blue light or a flashing combination of green and blue lights. These indicators show that the camera is connected or actively trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Next, grab your paperclip or pin and press down on the reset button. Hold it firmly for around 5 seconds until the camera's LED light turns red. The red light signals that the reset process has begun, and the camera is restoring its factory settings. Once the red light appears, release the reset button and wait for the camera to complete the reset process. This should only take a minute or two. When the reset is complete, the camera's LED light will start blinking blue, signaling that it's ready to be set up again. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect the Blink Mini to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Blink Home Monitor app on your smartphone, tap the plus icon, and follow the instructions to add the camera back to your account. If the reset doesn't appear to be working, first confirm that the camera is securely plugged into a reliable power source. Additionally, check your Wi-Fi network to ensure it's functioning properly. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection can sometimes interfere with the reset process, so troubleshooting both can help resolve the issue. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experts is ready to help. You can reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to resetting the Blink Mini Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.